Alright guys, today we're making a super flavorful green chicken curry. It's creamy, spicy and honestly one of those dishes that smells so good your neighbors might show up and invite it. But before that, let's go grab some ingredients. So let's get started. First, take about 800 grams of chicken and add it into a bowl. We're going to build a really fresh herby marinade for this. Grab a blender and add 1 medium bunch of fresh coriander followed by 5 green chilies. Adjust these depending on how brave you're feeling with spice. Then toss in 7 to 8 garlic cloves, half a teaspoon of ginger powder and 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. For that earthy depth, add half a teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can always adjust later. Now here's a little shortcut for extra flavor. Add 1 chicken bouillon cube. Finally, add in 800 grams of yogurt. This is what's going to make that curry creamy and slightly tangy. Blend everything until it's nice and smooth. Now pour this beautiful green marinade over your chicken and yes, go in with your hands, mix it really well so every piece is coated nicely. That's where all the flavor starts building. Marinate for about 30 minutes. If you have more time, even better. Alright, once that's done, let's move to cooking. Take a wok and add about 1/3 cup of oil. Once the oil heats up, drop in 2 bay leaves and let them sizzle for a few seconds. You'll instantly smell that aroma. Now add your marinated chicken into the wok. Keep the flame on medium and start stirring gently. Make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. Take your time here. After about 5 minutes, cover it with a lid and let it cook. We're aiming to get the chicken about 80% cooked at this stage. Now remove the lid and give it a good stir. You'll notice the oil starting to separate. That's exactly what we want. This is where the magic happens. At this point, add half a lemon's juice for a bit of freshness. Then sprinkle in 1/3 teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of chili flakes or more if you like that extra kick. Now keep stirring and frying until everything comes together. The spices smell amazing and your oil separates again. That's your sign it's done. To finish, garnish with some green chilies on top and that's it. Your green chicken curry is ready. Quick, easy and packed with flavor. Trust me, once you try this, it's going to become a regular in your kitchen. Serve it hot with some soft naan, maybe a side of salad and you're good to go. Right guys, give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. And I'll see you in the next one.